Here we are at the DoubleTree at Doheny Beach, right across from the Pacific Ocean. Wonderful view. We're loving it. Let us give you the full hotel walkthrough and let us spend our time and money so you don't have to, and let us know what you think at the end of the video. In other videos this week, we'll be exploring whale watching, several other restaurants, and a winery in the area. Be sure to check them out. We checked in early Saturday morning. The view outside was beautiful, as was the foyer inside. They do have a swimming pool and a gym available for use. Check with your local COVID conditions to find out details.
Just checked in, going to our room on the 4th floor. Supposed to be a suite that overlooks the ocean.
Got a nice glass fire pit here. Beautiful view of the ocean. Should be very nice during the very evening to have some friends over and just have some cocktails. Probably a lot cheaper than the bar. Pick you up something downstairs. You got a big Reagan, by the way, no big deal. Everything's a good time down here.
Actually checked in through Hilton Honors, and they gave me a digital key, so I didn't have to go to the lobby and wait and get a room key. Just go straight to our room. Now we're looking for the room. It's like a maze. So this is a room, and you notice how it has the clean stay, letting us know that the room has been sanitized and cleaned. So I got the digital room key, so it says tap to unlock. Unlock the door. Now, sorry. The bathroom. Nice. So it looks like they have all Crabtree and Evelyn products. This is their bathroom. Has a stand-up shower and a beautiful tub. Now let's go back out. This is the sitting area. You notice there's a fireplace. Love the chair. Coffee maker. And this is the bedroom. And we actually have a view.
So my beady little eyes did not see that there was actually a latch on top of the glass sliding door, but once I did notice it, I was able to pop it open and open the sliding door.
View of the Pacific Ocean. And also their lounge.
Make sure you watch to the end as I attempt a shortcut under the bridge, which ends up not being much of a shortcut at all. As day turned to night, we took a quick Uber ride to Totoya Sushi. It was very good. Look for that video coming next. The following morning, I was woken up very early for a walk to the beach. With no breakfast in my stomach, I was promised that once we made it to the harbor, I'd have a plethora of breakfast choices available to me. The beach is only a few short minutes away. Let's take the walk. We're gonna save the scenic beach walk for another video. Crashing waves, beautiful tides. It's a video onto its own. Very slow walkthrough for those that like that kind of thing. But as promised, we will show you my very special shortcut, and I do not recommend it to anyone as it could be hazardous to your health. But nonetheless, you can enjoy some laughter at my expense. So we started off in this land bar and didn't want to cross the waist-deep water. Came across, went through this jungleless area before we had to climb down, go under the overpass, go down a couple blocks where I tried to jump a river. Got my foot wet. Ended up getting wet. Came back down this way. So I recommend not trying to take the shortcut. That's just me, unless you feel like a grand adventure. Flower, you're coming into my boat cave. You want to come in the sewer with me? Come on. Thank you for watching SoCal Review Plus. Join us on our Dana Point adventure as we explore the local winery as well as a sushi shop where we meet some of Fabian's friends.